Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What is the Kitchen Work Triangle and Why Does It Matter? Picture this. You're in your kitchen, racing against the clock to whip up dinner. You reach for the fridge, dash to the sink, and swing by the stove, all without breaking a sweat. That, my friends, is the magic of the kitchen work triangle in action. It's not some mystical concept reserved for culinary wizards. It's a design principle that even your Aunt Mildred could master. Let me break it down for you. The kitchen work triangle connects the refrigerator, sink, and stove, the three titans of kitchen efficiency. It's the Bermuda Triangle of design, but instead of disappearing ships, it makes clutter and chaos vanish, turning your space into a well-oiled machine. Now, why on earth does this triangle matter? Well, think of it like having the perfect salsa. Balance is key, and each ingredient should complement the other without overwhelming the taste. The same goes for your kitchen. This layout minimizes unnecessary movement, saving you time and effort while reducing the chances of kitchen collisions that could rival a bumper car fiesta. Now, hold on, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When you're redesigning your kitchen, don't just slap things together like a hasty peanut butter sandwich. An efficient layout with a well-considered work triangle is as vital as the right dose of hot sauce. So, how do you create this triangle? Imagine a line connecting the fridge, sink, and stove, with distances ideally between 4 and 9 feet apart for each side. This setup creates a roomy workspace that enables smooth sailing from task to task, rather than having to dodge obstacles like a video game character on a caffeine rush. The triangle isn't just about efficiency, y'all. It brings harmony and flow, transforming your kitchen into a space where cooking becomes more of an art than a chore. Keep the triangle clear of traffic lanes and ensure appliances and counters are easy to access and operate without becoming a tangled mess of elbows and eggplants. With the work triangle in your kitchen arsenal, meal prep becomes less of a marathon and more of a waltz. You'll be dishing out gourmet meals with a grace that Meghan Markle would envy. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.